Hello, everyone, and welcome to Meet the Researchers. My name is Nicole Matthews, and I am a research psychologist at the Southwest Autism Research and Resource Center, better known to many of you as SARC. Meet the Researchers is our way of sharing new research findings and information about ongoing research projects, including ways that you can get involved. Today, I'm joined by my collaborator, Dr. Blair Braden, an assistant professor at Arizona State University. Thanks so much for joining me today, Blair. So we have some exciting news to share. In collaboration with your lab and Dr. Leslie Baxter at Mayo Clinic, SARC recently received funding from the Department of Defense Autism Research Program to develop and examine an intervention for adults with autism and their support companions that will teach them strategies to develop and maintain independence as they age. Can you tell us a little bit more about that intervention?
Certainly, Nicole. One of our major goals is to better understand how we can help autistic adults become and stay as independent as possible throughout their lifespan. We're specifically developing an intervention plan that reflects some of our experiences working with autistic adults who do not have intellectual disability. It will include strategies for improving and maintaining independent living skills, emotion regulation, and social skills. And one of our goals is to offer an individualized approach that can tailor the intervention to each individual so that we can emphasize one area more than the other depending on the person's needs.
Yes, it's definitely interesting and needed, especially given the diversity of this population. And there's so few services and interventions for adults with autism, especially older adults. So the need for this type of intervention is also supported by a recent research project that you conducted with Dr. Baxter and Dr. Christopher Smith at SARC. Can you tell us a little bit more about that research project and your findings?
Sure. We conducted one of the first studies to specifically focus on middle-aged and older adults with ASD by monitoring cognitive and brain changes as the people actually grew older, and we compared that to their neurotypical counterparts. We found that some, but not all, cognitive functions became more difficult as autistic adults aged, and there was quite a bit of variability in what became harder for each person. These findings led us to our current study, where we're offering a variety of strategies to combat the difficulties of aging that can be customized to each person's needs. And one more thing I'd like to say about our initial study of aging with autism is that we have some preliminary evidence to suggest men and women with ASD encounter unique struggles as they grow older. But we need to recruit more adult women with ASD to truly understand what's going on. So please spread the word and reach out to us if you're interested in participating.
That's really interesting. So in addition to the female adult participants that Dr. Braden mentioned, SARC is always recruiting children, adolescents, and adults for behavioral, pharmaceutical, and biomedical research studies. If you're interested in learning more about research studies at SARC, you can click the link on your screen, fill out an interest form, and a member of our research team will contact you. Thank you so much again for joining me today, Dr. Braden, and thank you to our viewers at home. We'll see you next time on SARC's Meet Researchers.